World War Doofus on YouTube sends in a German Bundeswehr 1990s kit. And dude, this looks peak 1990s Bundeswehr. You have all of these standard equipment that they were issued, including that obnoxious harness. Although it does look like it needs to adjust just a tad higher. I don't know why it seems a little loose and low, but maybe that's just the body armor making it look strange. I will say, dude, the only thing that you need is that G36, and this would be absolute peak. You did a fantastic job on this. Maybe adjusting it a little bit more to get it to fit you better, whatever. As soon as you get one of those in your hands, a G36 to be specific, I think you would nail this look. Easy 8 out of 10 just because you're missing the gun.
3 weeks later.
Those need to be in by February 28th. This is the Gear Locker. Thank you guys so much for checking out the video. This is Roast Your Kit episode 13. See you guys in 14. I don't know why I'm hiding my hand like I'm... Bam!